Hi everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and I told you that I was going to do a video of propagating figs by cuttings, but if you have a whole bunch. So this is a little different from the last one. Do you remember when I sowed all the flower seeds in the milk jugs and it worked out so well? It's kind of the same idea, except this time we're using perlite, and perlite is just the volcanic glass that has exploded. So nothing, no chemicals, no anything. And plus it's reusable. You just rinse it. Why am I using this? When I'm doing a whole bunch of cuttings and their roots are gonna get tangled, it's hard to pull them out. They already have a problem when you take them out. With perlite, I could just pull them out really gentle. So I took a vinegar container, cut the lid just like with the flower seeds. And now I've already cut these and put them in my take root. This is not necessary. I'm just so used to doing it. And basically you just stick them into here all the way to the ground pretty much. Now, some of the disadvantages of this. Perlite does not hold water. This perlite that I put in here, I soaked for an hour and pour it outside because it's really dusty and let it really get wet. And there's maybe a ½ inch of water on the ground. There are no holes in here because I don't want the moisture to leak out. So here's one that I already did. Put it in. You cover it up. Hold on a minute. And then all I have to do is tape it. It's important to keep moisture in here. So if you see it looks like they're going dry, you could just add a little water. And then I'm going to put this on the floor by a heating vent or a heating mat, and I'm going to let it be for about every week. I'm going to check it, maybe twice a week at first. The minute they start forming buds and you could see the roots forming, then I'm going to untape it and just let the air out just a little bit so they acclimate to the area. But this is the easiest way to cut a whole bunch of fig cuttings or anything you want and propagate them in one container. This Sabrina, this is a quick, helpful hint on propagating your figs. Have a great day. Please subscribe, like, and share. So important. Get your friends. Take care.